Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Süleyman. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up Rootbox Hydro RDWC hydroponic growth system. This system is an excellent solution to growing plants. Now let's move on to step-by-step installation process. First step, unboxing.
We are setting up today Rootbox Hydro 4 pot capacity RDWC system. Everything you need to start hydroponic farming is in these boxes. Covers, pipes, hoses, reservoir and pot buckets, water tank, air pump, water pump, float and air hoses, net pots, hydroton. T and elbow fittings, filter and valves, adapters for hose. Now we can move on to second step, checking system components. Let's continue with step 3, preparation of the grow area. Choose the area where you will set up Rootbox Hydro RDWC system. Create a clean and safe working space for you and your plants. Step 4, assembly of system components. Let's start by randomly placing the buckets in the growing area. The pipe's threaded design is easily put together. We can continue by connecting the circulation line to the buckets. Connect air pump to the buckets. Connect air stones to the air hoses. Use 25 cm transparent hose to connect the water pump to the system. Connect the float to the reservoir box. We use the hose to which we connect the adapters to connect the reservoir and water tank. Place bucket covers and net pots. Be sure all parts are securely connected to ensure the system is waterproof. If necessary, use your hand tools or other materials shipped to you with Rootbox Hydro.